someone. I heard someone here. Who's there? There you are. You horseface man. You horseface. You scared the shit out of me. Don't scare me like that. I get scared. Especially in Pachinki, I get scared. Alright, let's see someone. Let's run. Let's run. Who is the... Oh, there you are, there you are. Wait, where are you going? I'm coming. Oh, someone there. Oh, Tom. How stupid am I? Run, you cannot... run. You cannot see me. I'm not here. You cannot see me. You cannot see me. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. Yeah, go. Oh shit, he's over here. Unlucky. Alright. Again. Easy. What will we find here? Oh, scope. I like scopes. Okay. We have to use the flare. Where shall I use the flare? I think this is a nice place. An open area where I can... Yep, I have to shoot the flare.
There is an LOL game.
Yep, this is fine. Okay. Now I need to run and hide. If someone else will come, I'll shoot him before they get the flare. Yep, I'm hiding. Nobody can take my flare. It's mine only. Where? Oh, god damn it! It was mine. You're looting it before me. And how the hell is it hanging in the air?
I am just sing.
You took everything.
I sing every day.
Chinky. Not good, man.
Is this a game?
This was mine.
Could I
Bro,
playing with
I wish there was no point reduction in killing. Oh, there you go. Oh, yep. No, that's alright. That's mine. I'll take the loot. I'll take the loot from it. It's mine only. Go away, teammate. Go away. Seriously, you want this as well? God damn it. I took the whole package and you want this as well? Oh, airdrop. Yep, I like airdrops. I also am afraid to get killed while looting. Look at those guys. AWM. Seriously, it took AWM. That was supposed to be mine. You guys are so not good. Seriously, not good. That was supposed to be mine. Alright. I saw someone here. Someone running from here. Who was that? Oh, who's shooting from there? Where are you? Come to Papa. Where are you? Hey, hide, teammate, hide. You'll get us killed. Oh, there you are. I saw you. Where did he go? There. Oh shit, he saw me. Oh god damn it. Anyone help? Anyone? Where are you, my teammates? Help me. God damn it, help me. Help me, teammate. Stop shooting him, just come and help me first. Help me. I'm gonna die. Yep, I'm gonna die. I'm a goner. Oh, that's bad. Alright, I'll see what you'll do now. You'll get killed also. There he is. Yeah, hide. Yeah, gonna die. God, in the game. Run. Who the hell is shooting? You don't shoot. Don't. Yeah, this is what you get at shooting. Hey, wait, that's mine. Hey, wait, teammates. You unfair people. Give me the DP. God damn it, that DP is empty. That's fine, I'll still take it. I'll still take it. I love TP. Yeah. Come, let's go. Come on. Oh, there was. What are you doing, you sneaky boat? You sneaky boat.
No, go down!
Used to be mine.
Sonic. What?
It was supposed to be mine.
Use the light. I'll shine the light on. Take that.
I think. Oh, there you are.
Take
Toy.
that. Take that.
No. There. Take. I like it. Oh shit, someone shooting. Oh shit, shooting. Oh, god damn it. Teammate, help me. Revive me, teammate. Revive me. Nice. How the hell the car got like... yeah, go teammate, go. Take our revenge.
No!
God damn it, you were late. We died. I died actually. The other one, other one is also died. Dead already. Yeah, smart move. Throw it already. Throw more. Throw more, yeah. Make burn our bodies. Yeah, that's nice. But be careful, there are many people there. There are many people. Teammate. Yeah, there is one there. There's one there. At 240. 240 teammate. There, right there.
Oh my god,
There he is. Yeah, now he's fine, huh? Whoopsie. He gave you location also. Yep, they're shooting at you. You're a goner. Oh, you were a finisher. Alright, let's see who's here. Okay. Oh, footsteps. Someone. Holy shit, what is that? I'm coming down. Don't go anywhere. Oh, where the hell did you come from? Boat? Die. Yeah, give me everything. Give me everything you have.
Wait a minute.
Oh, cars, I love it. I'll take the yellow one. You take the red. Who the hell is shooting? God damn it, teammate. You're shooting at us. You stupid person. What the hell are you doing there? Oh, I hate bridges. There are always snakes here. Oh, there is one there. There is one. I'm gonna die. That's nice. I love the way he jumped. I love it. Did he die already? Should be dead by now. He should die. He should be dead. Yep. He's a goner. You don't come in front of my car. Oh, shootings. Who's that? There. God damn it. What were you doing there? Give me everything. Give me everything you have. Damn it. Nothing special. Oh, airdrop. I will go for the right in the middle of the road. Very nice. Thank you, PUBG. Thank you for this. Oh, cruiser. No, I'm fine. I guess I'll take it. Let's go, teammates. Let's run and hide somewhere now. Only 2 people are left. Only 2. Where are you shooting from? They're here only. I can feel them. One is left. Don't worry, teammates. I'll sacrifice my life so that you can get his location. I'll run until he shoots me. Where are you? Just hide. Let me find him and I'll kill him or he'll kill me anyways. Or both ways you'll at least find his location. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, where are you? There you are. Oh, god damn it, he got me. Come on, teammates. Now you know where he is. Get him. Take my revenge. Yeah, go. Yeah, run. Oh, beautiful. I love it. Seriously, you'll loot him also? Nice. Footsteps. There you are. Where are your partners? You're alone? A boat? Seriously? That's fine. I'm a boat killer. I'm proud of it. Who's there? Who is there? Did you kill someone? Okay, nice. You killed someone. Let me see what's in his box. Let me see. Yeah, nice. Holy, there. Move, teammate. Let me kill him. Teammate, don't go in that. He'll have more partners. Where? Come out, teammate. I'll revive you. Come out. Don't die in there. Yeah, come. Oh, there. God damn it. You killed my teammate. Or I can kill you. Sorry, teammate. I'll take care of your stuff. Oh, you had a flare. Nice. Very nice. I like it. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go in the car and roam around. Holy shit, someone's shooting. God damn it. Oh, God, that's not a nice death. That's fine. Thank you for watching. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.